Salut! Je m'appelle Hailey from Kingdom Cuisine. Today we will be talking about soupe à l'oignon gratiné du chef de France. A charming cafe nestled in the heart of Paris is the perfect way to enjoy a fantastic meal in Epcot. Chef de France is a family-friendly brasserie that will delight you in la nouvelle cuisine française. With enchanting views of the World Showcase Promenade, Chef de France is a popular dining spot for many longtime fans. Popular menu items like boeuf bourguignon, gratin de macaroni, et tarte au chocolat are indulged in by guests from around the world each day. One of the preludes at Chef de France is soupe à l'oignon gratiné, more widely known as French onion soup. This exquisite cup of soup has a dense depth of flavor. While the base seems simple, beef stock and onions, this cup of soup provides a more intuitive flavor profile. Naturally, the cup of soup is topped with a generous layer of gruyere, cheese, which is melted perfectly over the French onion soup. While the top of the cheese gets a slight crisp from browning, what lies beneath is what dreams are made of. A thick layer of smooth, melted, creamy cheese that blends together perfectly with the savory soup underneath for one harmonious bite. Bon appétit! While we could drool all day over this delightful soup, we might just head to Epcot to grab a cup right now. Reservations at Chef de France are highly recommended and can be made in advance online. We will see you there. Do you love food and all things Mickey-shaped? Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more then. While you're at it, follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Kingdom Cuisine and give us a like on Facebook at facebook.com/KingdomCuisine1. See you real soon!